Unlock the secret to seamless financial flow within your Fidelity ecosystem. First, navigate to Fidelity.com and log into the account from which you want to transfer funds. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Move Money option, usually found in the main navigation menu or your account dashboard. From there, select the option to transfer money between your Fidelity accounts. This is key for moving funds internally. You'll then see a form in the From field. Select the specific account you're transferring money out of. Next, in the To field, choose the Fidelity account you want to send the money to. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. You can also choose the date for this transfer, whether it's immediately or scheduled for a future date. Carefully review all the details on the summary screen. Check the From and To accounts and the amount to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click the Submit or Confirm button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your transfer is in progress or has been completed. Congratulations! You've successfully moved money between your Fidelity accounts.